Day one of this day. Nature. How hot is this today? It's freaking crazy. We're here with the dangerous animals in the world. What could kill you in the nature? First off, it's the birds. They can chop your head off. It's so freaking crazy. And oh my gosh, the spiders, all they do is they can sting you. The ants, they're so venomous that they can kill you in about an hour. Snakes, all they can do is just sting you and you just hurt really badly. Bees, they have venom inside of them that can last for an hour and kill you. Very crazy. Man, the worst day ever today is that today's all about nature. It sucks very badly. Oh man, it sucks. We're here. Oh my gosh. Dogs, man. Dogs. They can just bite you in pieces. They're so dangerous. Look. God. Man, they're so dangerous and it's hot out here. See, look. Oh, the dog ain't there. That's good. You can't hurt anybody. Good. It's gone. Good. And humans, they get protected. They cannot be hurt or even held in this, or they will die. Look. There's one of the spider holes where they can hurt you very badly with the stinging. And there's the dangerous birds. Oh. Do not want to stay. I want to stay away from those. And look, here's the most worst ants ever. Man, it sucks. Ah! Ow. Oh, look. And there's the yard of the dogs. And for some reason, there is something on me. What really hurt? Okay. They're endangered out here. There's dangerous species. Which is really bad. Nothing can help from the species. Oh. Well, that's the end of this video. See ya. Peace.